Hello everyone and welcome back to Bank Bazaar. In this video, we'll talk about one of the significant changes which was announced in Budget 2024, the changes to long-term capital gain tax on immovable property. So what are those changes? How will it affect you? Let's see with the help of some examples. So what exactly has changed? Previously, long-term capital gains on immovable property was taxed at 20%, but indexation benefit was also there. Indexation is nothing but adjusting your purchase price to inflation, which effectively lowered your tax liability. Now, these are the following two changes which was announced in Budget 2024. Number one, the tax rate for LTCG on immovable property has been reduced from 20% to 12.5%. The second and the most important change, the benefit of indexation has been removed now. These all rules are applicable from 23rd of July 2024 onwards. Let's understand these changes in detail with the help of examples. Imagine you bought a property in 2003 for rupees 25 lakhs and you decided to sell it today for rupees 1.5 crores. If there would have been no change at all and the old rules to capital gain tax on immovable property were still applicable, you would have to pay rupees 13.35 lakhs as taxes on your property sale. Now, under the new rules, with the indexation benefit gone and tax rate reduced to 12.5%, you would pay rupees 15.62 lakhs as taxes. Here are the calculations. As you can see, under the old rules, you would pay rupees 13.35 lakh in taxes after indexation. However, under the new rules, you would pay rupees 15.62 lakhs, resulting in an additional rupees 2.27 lakhs in taxes. Now, let's take another example to understand this a little further. Imagine you bought a property in 2018 for rupees 75 lakh and you decided to sell it today for rupees 1.5 crores. Similarly, if there would have been no change at all, under the old rules, you would pay rupees 10.55 lakhs as taxes. But now, since the new rules are applicable, you will pay rupees 9.37 lakhs as taxes. Here are the calculation. In this case, under the old rules, you would pay rupees 10.55 lakh in taxes after indexation. However, under the new rules, you will pay rupees 9.37 lakh, resulting in a lower tax liability by rupees 1.18 lakh. To summarize, while the reduction in the tax rate from 20% to 12.5% is beneficial at the first glance, but removal of indexation can result in higher tax liabilities for the properties held for a longer period of time. For recent purchases, it can be beneficial.
On 7th of August 2024, the government has proposed significant relief for individuals who bought houses before July 23, 2024 by giving them the option to choose between two tax rates for long-term capital gains tax. As per the amendments to the Finance Bill 2024 circulated to the Lok Sabha members on Tuesday 6th of August 2024, individuals or HUFs who bought houses before July 23, 2024 can compute their taxes under the new scheme, that is 12.5% without indexation, and the old scheme 20% with indexation, and pay the tax that is lower of the two. Here's the screenshot from the Finance Bill amendment.
So that's all. Understanding these crucial changes will help you make informed investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, do share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.